I'm David Lievesley from Universal Robots Technical Support, and today we're going to talk about a cool product which is from 3D Connection, which is an interactive mouse, so we can control the robot movements via a mouse. What's really nice as well is we can add additional UR caps into this, so if we've got grippers or other accessories, we can actually activate them from the mouse itself. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is load the UR cap. Once we've done that, we can go to the teach pendant, and then in installation from the 3D mouse, we can then select the speed that we want the robot to operate at with the mouse. We can also select the axes that we want to actually function with the robot. So automatically it defaults at all axes. So if I move the mouse, I can actually move any axes. Then we can actually go to the program menu, and here we can activate the 3D mouse. And then I've got some configuration buttons on the side. So now I can configure my button on the side to actually open and close my gripper. And of course, if you've got another dual gripper, we could actually put those gripper nodes in there, and we could actually operate two grippers at once. Okay, so now if we set it up, we can just do a quick demonstration. So if we come down onto the part, we can grip the part, we can move it, we can actually rotate, we can move up and down, and of course we can go out and in. So it's quite a specialized application that we'd use this for, but it's actually quite cool how we can link that to the robot and set that up relatively quickly. Okay, that's the end of today's Tech Talk. Next week we'll have another product to show you.